So hi all. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how will be the armature current vary when the machine is initially operating in no load condition and it is suddenly short circuited. Okay. So for this analysis, we will use a technique in superposition principle, wherein it says the final armature current will be equal to sum of initial armature current plus the transient component in the armature current due to short circuiting. So this technique will be used overall in this analysis. Okay, അത് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So let's start. Initially we are writing the field as well as armature terminal voltage. Vf is equal to If into Rf plus Lfp, and Vt is equal to Md omega R If minus Ia into Ra plus Lap. So when you are converting into finding its transient part, so every voltage will turn to Vft, its transient component. Vft is equal to Ift into Rf plus Lfp, and Vtt, its terminal voltage in transient condition. So it will be equal to Md omega R If minus Iat into Ra plus Lap. Okay, so this is the transient current as well as transient terminal voltage and transient field voltage. So from this equation, that is V final voltage will be sum of voltage in the initial condition plus that change during transient condition. So there is assumption that the the speed of the machine will be omega r before and just after the short circuiting. Okay, and initially the machine is running in no load condition, so at that time Ia will be equal to 0, and we will see what will happen to this Ia after short circuiting the terminal voltage. So coming back to the equation, we have to substitute for Vft and Vtt and find what is Iat. So Vft, which is the field voltage, so from this equation we get V transient or V change is equal to V final minus V initial. Okay, so this is the general equation. So Vft, that is change in field voltage due to transient condition, we will get it as the final voltage will be Vf itself across the field winding, and the initial voltage will be Vf itself. So the change will be 0. So Vft will become 0. So that is what we have over here. Vft will obtain as 0, and the Vtt, the terminal voltage due to that change. The change in the terminal voltage due to transient period will be initial terminal voltage is 0. Final terminal voltage is 0. After short circuiting, the terminal voltage will be equal to 0, and before short circuiting we will get initial terminal voltage as Ea. So 0 minus Ea will be minus Ea. So it will be equivalent to applying a minus Ea voltage across the armature terminal. So as to find the analysis, so as to do the analysis of how the machine will react upon short circuiting the armature terminal, it is equivalent to just applying an EA, step input voltage EA at the armature terminal. So random effect will be the same. Okay, and so now we are writing the equation number 1 and 2 after substituting 3 and 4 into 1 and 2. You will get 0 is equal to Ift into Rft plus Lfp, and minus Ea into 1 is equal to, that is step input, into is equal to Md omega R Ift minus Iat into Ra plus Lap. So you are going to find out what Iat is after short circuiting the terminal. So from this equation you will get Ift equal to 0. So you are equating, when you get Ift equal to 0, naturally this term will be substituted equal to 0. So you will get Iat is equal to Ea into 1 by Ra plus Lap. So taking the Laplace equation, Laplace transform of armature current, you will get IAT of S is equal to EA by S into RA plus LAS. So that is equal to, you are taking RA outside, so EA by RA into S into 1 plus S tau A. That will be your equation, and you are taking Laplace inverse. Laplace inverse of the above equation, you will get IA of t is equal to EA by RA plus into 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau A, where tau A is equal to LA, so that is self-inductance of armature terminal by RA. So this is the time constant of armature circuit. Okay. So this is the transient current after short circuiting. So the final armature current will be equal to initial armature current, which is 0 because the machine is running in no load condition before short circuiting, plus IAT, that is the transient component. So which will be equal to IAT itself, because this term will be 0 because the machine is initially no load condition. So the final armature current IAF is equal to EA by RA into 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. So writing in term of kg into IF into 1 minus e raised to t by tau A, it will be tau A. So time constant of armature circuit by RA. So if you plot the variation of armature current with respect to time, you will get initially in no load condition the current will be equal to 0. So after short circuiting it, the current slowly rises depending upon the time constant of armature circuit, and it will settle down to a value of EA by RA. That will be the final armature current. Okay, so that's the transient analysis of how we will get the armature current after suddenly short circuiting the terminals of DC machine. So that's all for today. Thank you.